Hello my dear students, in this lecture we will study about how to write the electronic configuration. The easiest method I am going to explain, and इस वीडियो मैंने 8th, 9th और 10th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों के लिए बनाया है. How to write the electronic configuration by using a easiest method. Before going to start, एक बार इस चार्ट को समझ लेनी चाहिए. How the electrons are going to split into various orbitals. That first we have to give the electron to 1s2, then 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f14, 5d10, 6p6, 7s2, 5f14, 6d10, 7p6, 6f14, 7d10, 7f14. In this way, जैसे ये एरो मार्क्स दिखाए हैं उसके हिसाब से हमको इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लिखना है while writing the electronic configuration. These are the main shells. This first one is K shell, L shell, M, N, O, P, Q. These are the main shells, and this S, SP, SPD, SPDF, these are the sub shells of that main shells. Okay, let me start. First we will write the electronic configuration for carbon. Carbon का electronic configuration लिखेंगे by using this chart. So atomic number of carbon is 6. कार्बन का एटॉमिक नंबर है 6, तो हमको 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को लेके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखना है. फर्स्ट हमें 1s2 लिखना है, उसके साथ ही हमको इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काउंट करना है. 2s2, we have taken the 2 electrons already here and the 2 electrons here. The total number of electrons we have taken is 4. The remaining electron is only 2. That 2 electron we will take from this 2p. So 2p, 2. This is the electronic configuration of carbon. So next go for the nitrogen. Atomic number is 7. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. 1s2. By using this arrow mark only, using this chart only, we have to write the electronic configuration. That could be easier. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 3. So maximum number of electron present in 2p is 6, but we need only 3 electrons to complete the electronic configuration of nitrogen. This is about the electronic configuration of nitrogen. And let me take another example, that is sodium, and the atomic number for sodium is 11. Again, by using this chart we have to solve this electronic configuration. The firstly arrow mark is on 1s2. After that the arrow mark comes to an end, means we have to go for the next, that is 2s2. Nextly arrow mark goes to 2p6. Now first we have to count the electron, how much we have taken. 2 plus 2 plus 4, 4 plus 6, 10. Only one electron we have to take, and that electron should be taken from 3s1. So this is about the electronic configuration of sodium. Let me take another example, that is chlorine. It is having atomic number 17. Let me write 1s2. Total 17 electrons we have to take, and we have to write the electronic configuration by following the chart. 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Now count the electrons. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12. The remaining number of electron is 5. We need 5 electrons to complete the electronic configuration of chlorine. That 5 electrons we will take from 3p6. That is 3p5 electrons we have taken. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. This is the electronic configuration of chlorine. Another example we will take, that is calcium. Atomic number for calcium is 20. By using this chart, first we have to write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. After 2p6, arrow marks comes to 3s2. After 3s2, arrow marks comes to an end, so we have to move for the next, that is 3p6. After 3p6, 3d10 नहीं लिखना है, we have to write the 4s2. एरो मार्क 4s2 पे गया है तो हमको 4s2 लिखना है, उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रॉन्स चाहिए तो 3d10 से लेना पड़ेगा. So we will write 4s2 because after the electron, the 3p6, after this 3p6 arrow mark comes to 4s2. We have taken the electron from 4s2. Now count the electron. That electron should be 20 because atomic number of calcium is 20. 2 to 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 12, 18, 20. So this is the electronic configuration for calcium. In the same way, let me take another example. Magnesium. Atomic number for magnesium is 12. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Here we have taken already 10 electrons. After 2p6, the arrow marks comes to 3s2. So 12 electrons we have taken. This is the electronic configuration for magnesium. This is the easiest method to write the electronic configuration. We have to remember this chart for the beginners. If you are writing the electronic configuration for first time, you have to remember this chart. Once you make the practice, then you will become that. Without referring this chart, you can easily write the electronic configuration. Thank you.